Okay, this is awesome. Today, guys, we are at Cranmore Hill,
grab my wallet.
and we are about to
Because me and Auntie got so excited.
we're about to go up these
But
hills
we're still gonna end up
and do very sketchy activities. Mostly me though. It actually that statue looks like it's taking a poop.
Wait, what are the heck? He's skiing, honey. He's got skis on.
Oh.
$400,000. Slow down, Jameson, please. Go stand next to the sign.
Yeah, go stand near the sign, bro.
Come on. We can do the penguin, but we want to see how tall you are. He's under 38 inches. He might.
No, he's not. No, he's over 38. He's over 38.
Come over here, please.
Oh, over here. I'm seeing this.
Come right here.
He's like, yeah, he's like 40 something.
Yeah, he's like 46.
42. So he can go on the small bouncy house, the obstacle course. Can you? You can. The
I don't
bungee
know if it's
trampoline.
included. Not
Yeah,
everything is
not
included
everything
in
is
that ticket,
included.
so.
Yeah, he can. All right. He can do the scenic chair with us. In this.
The giant swing is closed today, guys.
It is?
Yep.
That's okay. It is what it is. All right.
That's
Everything else is open.
Yeah. I mean, we're good. Here's the inside.
Alright. Chloe and Luke, stay over there.
Okay.
Jameson, go over there.
Oh my god, I think this is gonna be the best part of the trip, just standing here. Oh my, we're having so much fun. James ruined the moment.
What does that mean? I say whatever it is.
Guys, look at savage. Alright, we're just gonna skip till later in the video. Well, I got a wristband now. Cranmore. Alright. We're ready to go! I hope you can ride guide. I'm good to go on every single ride right now. I am more than 54. I'm like 56, I think.
How tall do you think I am? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, I called it. Chloe, go up against it.
I'm 60.
You know what?
I'm 5 feet even.
You're giant. Dude, you're bigger than this thing.
Whoa, that's fun.
Look at that.
Fun.
Yo, we're going on that. I'm hoping I can vlog on that. I'm just going to be like... Because then that's just going to look sick for the video. So guys, we're currently in North Conway, as you can see right there. Yeah, ski mobile, snow train. Yeah, we're ready.
42 inches, gonna sit with mom.
Okay.
Everything.
Okay, that's good. So he can do everything with us.
There's some things he doesn't have to have you.
Okay.
No, you don't need a hug. So annoying.
Okay.
This kid's so annoying sometimes. Sometimes only though.
Thank you very much.
Tubing, 42
Alright, we're ready.
Does that do like hours? Because we did the tube in one
What is he doing?
Right, this is just.
Hashtag me and Jameson.
These two and all the companies, so all the kayaks, there's hundreds of people.
That's me and Jameson right there.
When I came over.
Wait, where did Jameson go? Yo, Jameson! Oh, he's over there in the corner. Jameson, let's go!
Jameson, let's go. Come on, guys.
Let's go. Come on.
Jameson. So he pretty much will do everything as long as he's there on my birthday off.
Alright, so we're currently inside, I think. I think this counts as inside. This is.
I don't think we would die.
Oh my
If
god!
we fell, I don't think we would die.
We would tumble down the hill. Oh my god!
Jesus
This
Christ.
is so sketchy.
Jesus Christ.
This is so sketchy.
This is sketch.
Ah! I don't like it. I don't like it.
This is so
Oh my god!
We have it down.
This is so fucking sketchy.
This is fucking sketch.
I know, this is so fucking sketchy.
What the fuck?
I'm just gonna do this because I don't want to lose my phone.
This is sketch.
Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god, that sounds so scary. We have to go all the way up there. Holy shit. Actually, once you're halfway up,
This is actually not bad.
unless you fall, you'd probably die.
Nah, you wouldn't die. Just break a few bones.
Still really sketchy. Okay, it's
Fucking sketch.
oh my god. This is so fucking sketchy. I bet you those two old ladies are fine, and then there's just us like,
This is sketch. Oh god. Oh god.
oh god, be careful. I don't like that. I don't like it.
I don't like it. And we have to come back down like this.
I'd rather walk down or roll down. Because this is so fucking sketchy. Like, guys, look at how far up we are. We'd break at least 5 bones. And get a ton of thorns in us.
I don't like. It's fine until I get to there. I don't like it like that. I don't like that part right there, like the tower that holds us up. I
Yeah.
don't like it.
It's all good until the tower. Get ready. 3,
Oh.
2,
Oh no.
1. Fuck. This is so sketchy.
Fudge nuggets.
Oh my
Fudge
god.
nuggets.
Guys, we are literally panicking for our lives right now.
I'm not panicking. I just don't like the tower.
You wanna know what I don't like? How it just honestly just goes up, like where you go straight and then it goes up. Alright, from here you may be able to survive without breaking a bone.
Yeah, you might not break the bone.
Yeah, but at this height. And there's bone breaking height. 3, 2, 1.
I'm holding on to this so tightly.
Oh my. I'm holding on to the side because if you hold on to that, what if you fall and like the bar bends and breaks? Because I feel like this bar couldn't hold either one of us.
I thought the bar came down automatically. Like, I'm so used to the bars coming down automatically.
I'm not used to. I've never been on this. This is my first time.
Me neither.
This is so sketchy. Oh my!
Oh!
Oh my god!
Why is it stuck?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh no! Oh no! I don't like this! I do not like this!
I don't like this one.
Ah!
And we have to come down like this.
Ah! This is so sketchy!
This is sketch. This
A
is super
3,
sketch.
2, 1! Ah! Oh, just wait for it. It gets even worse when we go up.
Oh, we're going up?
Yeah. Oh my god, this is so freaking sketchy.
This is sketch.
Oh, dude, look at the view, though. Look at the view behind you. Hey! Oh, oh god. Look at all the thorns. Look at all the thorns below us. I would be fine if I dropped. I would probably break a couple bones, but no thorns.
Yeah.
I mean, at least.
I'd try to swing over there if I was gonna fall.
Yeah. I would man up and deal with it because over there's rocks. 3, 2. Oh my god, this lift is capable of running in reverse. I don't like that at all.
We could go backward.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Just imagine like stopping. We'd probably just like lurch forward.
He's like,
No, I'd probably fall because of how skinny I am. You would have been fine.
no, you'd be fine. As long as you're holding on, you'd be fine.
Gardener right behind you. Actually, the auntie is a gardener, so that's technically true. Oh my god, if we fell, we would die right now. Because there's rock. Oh my god! Look at the rocks below us. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ah! Why do they even do that? I would just make the tightest thin line you can make, and then...
Can we please walk down? I don't want to do this again.
Like, we thought, me and you, oh my god, we would totally die now.
Oh yeah.
This would just be automatic death. Even if you hit your feet first, you would automatically die.
No, you'd probably break your legs.
No. Right now, if you were to fall, you would, your kneecap or something, part of your leg, would break. Look at the view though, guys. That's nice. I like that.
Oh, this is so sketch.
The auntie said no vlogging. Savage.
When is this over?
I don't know. Oh, it's almost over. I see the ship. How the hell are we supposed to get off?
I have no idea.
Oh god. I have the worst side than you, because look it. If I fall, I'm gonna go tumbling over there.
Why are we stopping?
Oh no! Oh god! Oh my lord. Oh!
Oh my.
Oh no!
Oh
Oh no! 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 No!
Actually, kind of relaxing.
This feels like a massage, but really fast and really sketchy. I would totally die right now.
You would die. I would die. We'd all die.
Anyone would die. Even John Cena. Hashtag James and references.
No, I don't think John Cena would die. If it was that, John Cena would die.
Yeah. Look, it looks like it says Maverick a little bit.
How are we supposed to get off?
I think we're supposed to lift the bar up as fast as we can and run. I bet you Jameson's handling this way better than we are.
I bet you he's actually enjoying this. Like, I'm super sketched by this.
DQ. I'm actually enjoying it now. Do you think one of the aunties would die right here?
No.
Do you think we would die right here?
I don't know how to get off.
Oh shit. Yeah, I know how we have to get off. We have to literally just hurry the hell up. Why do those ones have holes in between it? I would not trust that one.
I wouldn't go on that.
I would literally rather walk up the hill.
I don't trust that.
Yeah, I don't trust that one either.
Oh, he's coming out to help us. Sweet.
Oh, he comes out. Yay! This is a nice sir. Oh my god, look at the view! Oh my Jesus!
Oh, my Lanta. We died.
Oh my god. Put your feet up, just in case you don't want to. Oh my god! We did it! We did it! Oh, oh Jesus! Oh god. Yo! This is amazing. Look at the view.
To the edge, dude. Like, you want to like roll down the mountain, like roll out on a prairie?
That's probably what Jameson would do.
No, because it's all rocks and stuff.
But still, that's what Jameson would do. It's Jameson.
There's a lodgy thing over there.
Alright, children, pretend you like each other and stand there in front of the mountain.
Jameson, come here.
Oh my god. Oh my god.